Here we have a 2007 Sea Ray 210 Select located here at SkipperBud's in Madison. This boat does also include the tandem axle trailer. It does come with a spare tire. You can see you have fixed cleats all the way around. This boat does have the docking lights. Under this compartment here, you do have access to your anchor as well as a bow ladder. This boat does also have a through-hull exhaust. Nice large swim platform on the rear. You do have trim controls, telescoping ladder. This boat is equipped with the 350 horse Mer Cruiser. It does have the Alpha 1 outdrive. Prop still looks good. All right, that's it for the exterior. Let's jump on the inside and take a look at the interior. Stepping into the 210 Select, you'll notice a nice large sun pad on the back here. Nice large rear bench for seating. This boat does come equipped with the dual captain's chairs. Both do have the flip-up bolsters. You have a nice large ski locker in the middle here. Also have a little cooler compartment down here, as well as your standard glove box up top. Stereo controls. Your gauges here. This boat does also have a compass. You do have plenty of storage down in both gunnel areas here, as well as a little up top. You do have a divider here if you want to close off the bow from the rest of the cockpit area. Additional cup holders, speakers, and grab handles up in the bow seating area. You'll see again access to this compartment here, holding your anchor as well as your front ladder. All right, that's it for the 210 Select, located here at SkipperBud's in Madison.